Hi, I'm Shane Murray with Premier Home Inspections of Middle Tennessee, coming to you with 5 things that you as a potential home buyer want to look for on that house before making the offer. Let's get started. Number 1, and these are in no particular order, look at the roof. The roof is a high dollar item on a home, and even from the ground, oftentimes you can tell if there are damaged, torn, or missing shingles. Number 2, look around the exterior walls of the home. Look for cracks in brick. That can be an indication of settlement or movement in the home. Look for rotted, soft wood around the house at the trim, such as windows, doors, or the fascia at the eaves of the house. This not only shows that there's damage to the wood, but there could be hidden damage behind those areas. Number 3, look at that HVAC unit. The general condition of the HVAC unit can tell you not only how the homeowner is taking care of the unit, but also the home. If there's a lot of dust buildup on the unit, on the coil fins, that means the unit's not breathing properly, which can cause some serious issues over time. Also look for rust or damage to the housing and the coil fins as well. Number 4, if the house is on a crawl space, do yourself a favor, open the door and shine a flashlight in. Even just from the opening, you might see some standing water or torn up insulation or other damage that could be causes for concern. The crawl space is oftentimes hiding some of those big deficiencies. And number 5, the most important thing that you can do when looking to put that offer in on that house, make sure that you have a good, trusted home inspector. We're going to thoroughly look at your home purchase and make sure that you are advised, not surprised. So for all your home inspection needs, call Premier at 615-481-7293. Y'all have a blessed day.